We are officially back on the Backyard Oasis project, and we have a lot of work to do. I got these customizable lights from Big Star Lights, and they are about to transform our backyard. I can't wait until you see them all lit up at the end of this video because I am just in awe of them. I just unboxed the 100 feet of string lights with G50 bulbs, a tank stand, and a post. These lights are so easy to install. I mean, obviously, as I'm tackling this project by myself, and I didn't even have to call in help, which, yes, I need a pat on the back for. Big Star Lights makes the setup process so simple by making their products non-invasive, meaning like no screws or anything permanent, which I'm so thankful for because although I'm proud to say I did this project on my own, I am not as proud to say that I measured wrong 4 times, but you would never know, so it's okay, and I survived. I love the light bulbs from Big Star Lights because they have UV stabilizers in them that ensure that they don't get cloudy from the sun, and most importantly, they're designed to resist Canadian weather, which is a huge bonus. My favorite thing about them is obviously their aesthetic. They have fully transformed my backyard into the oasis that I was going for, that I want to spend time in. I can't wait to spend the rest of my summer enjoying them. Okay, are you ready? You're about to see them. They're on, which I didn't even test them. That was a lot of trust in Big Star Lights. Look at them in the dark. Oh my goodness. Now I'm just gonna sit here for the rest of the night and every night moving forward to enjoy our backyard oasis.